The beauty industry offers a vast array of skincare products that promise miraculous results. But many of these products are loaded with preservatives, synthetic fragrances, and other chemicals that can irritate your skin or cause long-term damage. On top of that, the price tags for high-quality skincare products can be quite steep. DIY skincare is a fantastic solution to these issues. Not only are homemade skincare recipes much more affordable, but they also give you the opportunity to use 100% natural ingredients that are free from harsh chemicals. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, you can make skincare recipes that are perfectly suited to your skin's needs. In this video, we will explore the benefits of DIY skincare, share a few easy-to-make recipes, and provide tips on how to get the best results from your natural skincare routine. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Section 1: Benefits of DIY Skincare. One of the primary reasons people turn to DIY skincare is to avoid the harsh chemicals that are often present in commercial products. Many store-bought skincare items contain parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, all of which can irritate sensitive skin or cause long-term issues like breakouts, redness, or premature aging. By creating your own skincare treatments at home, you have complete control over the ingredients, ensuring they are pure and beneficial for your skin. Avoid harsh chemicals. Store-bought skincare products may contain a range of ingredients designed to prolong shelf life, improve texture, or enhance scent. However, many of these chemicals can disrupt your skin's natural balance. For example, parabens are commonly used as preservatives, but are known endocrine disruptors. Sulfates, another common ingredient, can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. With DIY skincare, you can avoid these harmful chemicals and instead use ingredients like honey, avocado, aloe vera, and essential oils, natural products that nourish and hydrate the skin without any negative side effects. Homemade recipes allow you to create skincare treatments that are as gentle and effective as possible, making them ideal for those with sensitive skin. Tailor recipes to your skin type. One of the most significant advantages of DIY skincare is that you can easily customize your recipes based on your unique skin type. Commercial skincare products are often formulated for general use and may not address the specific needs of your skin. For instance, people with dry skin need more hydration, while those with oily skin may need ingredients that help balance oil production. When you make your own skincare products, you can choose ingredients that are specifically suited to your skin's needs. If you have dry skin, you might want to use ingredients like avocado or honey that are rich in moisture. For oily or acne-prone skin, you could incorporate ingredients like tea tree oil or clay, which help to regulate oil and fight bacteria. The ability to personalize your skincare treatments allows you to address your skin's specific concerns without buying multiple products. Section 2:3: Easy Recipes. Now that we've covered the benefits of DIY skincare, let's dive into some simple and effective recipes that you can easily create in the comfort of your home. These 3 recipes are easy to make, budget-friendly, and provide excellent results for healthy, glowing skin. Exfoliating scrub, sugar, honey, and olive oil. Exfoliation is an essential part of any skincare routine, as it helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal a smoother complexion. This natural exfoliating scrub uses simple ingredients like sugar, honey, and olive oil to exfoliate and hydrate your skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of sugar, brown or white sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix the sugar, honey, and olive oil together until you form a smooth paste. Gently massage the scrub onto your face or body in circular motions, focusing on areas that may be rough or dry, such as elbows, knees, or feet. Leave the scrub on your skin for about 5 minutes to allow the honey and olive oil to nourish your skin. Rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Why it works. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and helping to improve the texture of your skin. Honey, known for its antibacterial and moisturizing properties, honey helps to hydrate and protect your skin while providing a natural glow. Olive oil, Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, olive oil nourishes and hydrates the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. This scrub can be used once or twice a week to maintain healthy, exfoliated skin. Hydrating mask, avocado, yogurt, and a touch of honey. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that make it a powerhouse ingredient for skincare. When combined with yogurt and honey, this hydrating mask works wonders for dry or dull skin, providing deep moisture and restoring your skin's natural glow. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, preferably unsweetened and full fat, 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: mash the avocado in a small bowl until it forms a smooth paste. Add the yogurt and honey to the mashed avocado and mix until the ingredients are fully combined. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Leave the mask on for 10-15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Why it works? Avocado, packed with healthy fats and vitamins, like vitamin E. Avocado deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it an excellent choice for dry or aging skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin while also providing moisture and soothing properties. Honey adds moisture and has antibacterial properties, helping to keep your skin clear and hydrated. This hydrating mask is perfect for a weekly self-care session, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. Toner, green tea, and apple cider vinegar, diluted. Toners help to balance the skin's pH levels, tighten pores, and refresh the complexion. This natural toner uses the soothing properties of green tea and the skin-balancing properties of apple cider vinegar to create a refreshing, clarifying treatment. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of brewed green tea, cooled, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a few drops of essential oil, optional for added fragrance or benefits. Instructions: brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, mix the green tea and apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. If desired, add a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree oil, to enhance the toner's benefit. Apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently wipe it over your face after cleansing. Let your skin absorb the toner before applying moisturizer. Why it works? Green tea, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, green tea helps to soothe and protect the skin while reducing redness and irritation. Apple cider vinegar, known for its ability to balance the skin's pH, apple cider vinegar can help tighten pores, fight acne, and improve skin tone. Essential oils, depending on the oil you choose, you can add additional benefits such as antimicrobial effects from tea tree oil or calming properties from lavender. This toner can be used daily to refresh and balance your skin, helping it look more even and radiant. Section 3: Tips for Success. To get the most out of your DIY skincare routine, follow these simple tips to ensure success. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh, high-quality ingredients will provide the best results for your skin. If possible, choose organic products to avoid pesticides and chemicals. Fresh ingredients like honey, avocado, and yogurt will nourish your skin and give it the best chance to thrive. Avoid using expired ingredients, as they may lose their effectiveness or, worse, cause irritation. Patch test before full application. Before applying any DIY skincare treatment to your face, it's important to do a patch test on a small area of skin. This will help you determine if you have any sensitivities or allergic reactions to the ingredients. Simply apply a small amount of the product to the inside of your wrist or behind your ear, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Store your DIY products properly. Since homemade skincare products don't contain preservatives, they have a shorter shelf life. Be sure to store your creations in clean, airtight containers and refrigerate them if necessary. For example, masks containing fresh ingredients like avocado should be used within a few days to ensure freshness. Conclusion: DIY skincare is a natural, affordable, and effective way to take care of your skin. By creating your own skincare recipes, you can avoid harsh chemicals, customize treatments to your skin type, and enjoy the benefits of fresh, nourishing ingredients. Whether you're looking to exfoliate, hydrate, or tone your skin, the recipes shared in this video are easy to make and offer fantastic results. Thanks for watching. With these simple DIY skincare recipes, your skin will thank you. Try them out and enjoy natural beauty from the inside out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.